Yo, I'm on. What's up? What's going on, everybody? One trade, one pass. Can't beat that. One trade, one. Dude, it's so hard to freaking. I don't know why it was so hard to. Got top tick and blue master account. Jeez. The music. Dude, don't tell me it was you. Like, you have music on and you're making me look for this. I don't see that I have music anywhere. Does anybody see music anywhere? Yo, anybody hear any music? Pass. Can't beat that. Can't beat that. I had to turn on my own stream to see. I wonder if it's an ad or something. Sometimes I have like YouTube shit on in the background. All right. Let's get rolling here. I don't know what it was. Oh man. All right. Let me figure something out. What up, Vance? Looks like a range day. I bet you it moves. We're gonna get some movement. I got a feeling. I got a strong feeling we're gonna see some movement here. I'm just looking at all my shiznick right now. What do we got on the? Oh, look at that! Traded right into it and rejected. You're bearish? Yo, what up, Mama Tick? Good morning, David. One of those days today. One of those days. Oh, man. So I just got back from my kids' concert, spring concert. So I'm just like, I raced home, obviously, because TTD had earnings today. So I'm up a ton. So I like raced home. Concert was good. They do like 5 songs and that's it. But, you know, they get you there from, of course, my wife is first in the door. So, you know, she goes early. I meet her there. Dude, I'm just going to see what I can do with some of these evals. I got Rebilled. I got Rebilled a lot. So, what up, DBT? It's not looking great. It's not looking great. Of course, I come in, my first fucking trade's bad, but I'm just going to sling some of these evals until I see something good happen. This would have been the move right here. You swept the 15-minute orb and then pop back through. If you watched my video, you would have taken that trade. That's the trade right there. Got to watch the video. The fastest and cheapest. I'm doing the math in my head. So my funded futures is 1 day pass, but you got to trade for 5 days. Tradeify, you got to trade for 10 days. Apex is 8 days. Take Profit Trader is 1 day, but the eval is 5 days. The fastest to pass and get paid is probably my funded futures or Take Profit Trader. They're both 6 days. It's one of them is 1 day to pass, 5 days to pull out money, and the other's 5 days to pass, 1 day to pull out money. What up, Racer? Yeah. Is this really VWAP? I never know what see, it's not even VWAP. Yeah. So I would say one of those two is the way to, if you wanted like the fastest to pass and get paid. Yeah, I mean, if you have a live account, a lot of people don't have $3,000 to throw in an account, $5,000. They're still learning and whatnot. Come on. Give daddy a little bounce. Oh, it's right there. Come on, baby. Bro.
Sending money home to Jamaica?
I don't trust this, dude. I don't trust it. What up, Corey? I don't trust any market, but today is super choppy. I got financial juice up. I'm just reading some of the shit. Let's see what we got today. You got Fed speaker at 11:30, and that's it. Fed speaker at 11:30. What up, Alcy? What are the pros and cons of my funded futures? There's no activation fee, so them Take Profit Trader and Tradeify all have no activation fee. And then I would say my funded futures is easiest to get paid on. But if you don't make a lot of money, when you take that money out, the account is smoked. So yes, you need 5 days of $100 to take money out. But if you make $500 and go to take money out, your account's left with no drawdown, because once you take money out, the account can't go less than $50,100. So I would say yes, it's easy to take money out, but also you're going to get left with a small amount of money. I don't know. They pay fast. Like, you're going to get paid in 30 seconds when you withdraw money. I would say the account is a little bit cheaper, but it does come with some type of rules. I would just say the biggest pro is that it's easier to get paid on. That's like my funded futures thing is it's easy to get money from them. But once you take money out, the account obviously has a very little drawdown. Oh, you shorted gold? Dude, gold will take you to the cleaners real quick. We're right in this area. Get out of 204. I might take it long. Yeah, I mean, you could oh, yo, you finally got it, Corey? You got your 200. What'd you need? $240. Just keep it rolling, Sean. But yeah, it's now I'm walking bow-legged and won't be able to sit down. Jeez. Yo, gold will make you money real quick and lose you some real money super freaking quick. Man, this is just hanging here. It's right in this order. Oh, it broke the order block. Ooh, that is not good. I guess if you took it short, you'd have 205 as your stop. Not a huge fan of shorting it because we're so oversold already on the one. I'd like to see a bounce before I shorted it. Kind of like down, up, and then further down. Also, on the higher time, this is the 15. We're approaching area of huge support. Oh, no. Dude, you got an hourly 3-bar? Jeez. I'm probably not taking an hourly 3-bar because we're in this zone. But this is the problem with the hour. Well, you had an hourly 3-bar here, and you'd technically still be in it. But this stop is 90 points. I'm just going to DCA my way into this. Just had to hold it. Just had to hold. Sean, how much you up? Are you trying to pass it, or is it one of the pro accounts? Damn, that's solid. I mean, I'm in this trade till the fucking end. This is gonna blow. This is gonna toodles. And we say bye-bye. Oh. Dude, I gotta get on Sean, I'll hook you up at lunchtime. Just because I gotta fucking do everything. If it doesn't hold these wicks down here, bro. If it doesn't hold these wicks, oh man, this thing just got real fucking bearish, by the way. You broke all that support on the 15. The pivot point's right here. I would never take this in a funded account, by the way. Like if I had a funded account, you would not see me taking these trades. This is eval only situation. Dude, if it holds this pivot point, I think I'm going to smoke this one too. This is what happens when I'm doing two different things. Smoked. Fuck. Let me just finish doing this thing. I got this guy hitting me up about duck races. Not Sean, somebody else. I gotta. Just doing too much shit is really what it comes down to. Fucking racing back from my kids' thing. Racing back from my kids' thing, doing this thing. I mean, usually I do all this shit in the morning. What up, Okie Doke? What up? What up? And we are right. Just one of those things, one of those things. If they can bounce it over 30, I still wouldn't take it in a funded account. I wouldn't take a funded account until we kind of calm down, to be honest. All right. We're going to hit this in balance and just go lower. I don't think it's going to go up anymore. See, if you trade right into this zone, that would be a very good short to me. I might take this. This would be amazing. I got a tight stop. Yo, what up, Scotsman? Keith, you long? I'm trying to set up my freaking rhythmic also. Dude, how many you deep? How many you deep at this?
To unlock your iPhone first.
Dude, Siri's asking for fucking requests. Yo, what up, CT? You are 7 deep. I'm not a huge fan of the long. See this area? This is an order block that became a breaker block when we went below and closed below. I mean, my stop would be like 66-ish. This was that block to go long on that they this is where I forget the indicator was, but this is where it was talking about. Boom! Just getting back in the groove of things. Pepper some of these accounts up. Yo, Keith put his rules in the Discord. Keith rules. Dell faded himself. So what do you think? It was going to go long, Dell, and you went short? Tell me you did that. Tell me you thought it was going long, and then you took a short. So here's Keith's rules if you were wondering. Eh, After every update your So this is in the Discord if you want to check it out. This is the Keith rules. I'll give you guys the link. Here's the link. Do what you want. For entertainment purposes only. Remember, entertainment purposes only. Dude, that was a nice short. Do you guys realize why I thought it was going to be a short? Like we traded back into this breaker right here and rejected. Yes. Dump through it. Retest. Goodbye. And we say goodbye. Now you're getting really oversold on the Yo, if we hit previous month's high, I'd probably look for a bounce there. I'm just looking for the draw, like, you know, where you think they're going to take this to. So you just got to look at key spots on the chart and say, hey, look, we might go to previous month high. There's a breaker right here on the 15-minute where we bounced, I think, yesterday. They might take it in here. This is a massive order block on the 15. But you can see we took the bounce yesterday. It's still in testing phase, but if ES gets us, what, back to the upside, Sean? I'm guessing. Just got to hold. How hard is that? Just got to hold. Yo, Asia lows are right here. We just swept Asia at 81. I'll buy Asia. And then my stop would be low a day if it bounces around here. It's got to bounce somewhere around here. You're long gold? Yo, this previous month high is looking fucking 43. Yo, they're going to invert this at 76. I want to see a clear bottom, and then this will be my trade I take with the bigger account. Never shorting gold again. Some lessons just have to be learned. Asia high is right here. Asia low is right here. I never got in on Asia low. I didn't get filled. Kind of want to see this hold, and then the next candle kind of push back over.
Order filled.
I took one off here, and I'm moving this to break even only because I'm only doing that because I'm curious if we actually hold here. I want to see us get over this 9. Oh, see how we rejected the 9 right there? I want to see us go over the 9. Where was yesterday's lows at? All the way down here. Oh, 977. I mean, we still got 100 points for that. We might. I'm not saying we can't. I am definitely not saying we can't. Dude, they stopped me out.
Order filled.
Oh, shit. Scratch that. I didn't realize. Yo, we're right at the, what do you call it? 112 is the fucking.
Order filled.
Yeah, I got out. We were, dude, that's why you need, Top Step doesn't have the fucking, what do you call it? Look at that. To a T. That's the bottom and balance. Why doesn't Top Step have that shit? Oh, that was to the fucking T. Yo, yeah, PG. But how do you get it on Project X? Anybody know? Does anybody know how to get it on Project X? Dude, you ain't kidding, man. Like, you couldn't put an opening range in here? Yo. I'm gonna have to give him 2. One to get back on Top Step TV, and then one for opening range. Like, that's a key fucking component. A pretty important piece of my trading. I mean, I'm just keeping it super tight. Like, we reject here or not, like, this is. Yeah, I gotta look at the 30. But really, like, do I want to be doing that? China ministry statement says China firmly opposes U.S. abuse of reciprocal tariffs. Cool. Yo, it's so bad. So awful. I would like to see them come down back in this area, make a lower high, and then go. That would be the most constructive bottom that you could make. Come down, hold like this area, and then come back up. That to me would be, or even just come down a little bit. 86. You know, I want some type of constructive bottom, not just a zip back up. You know, that's yo, we're almost even here. Dangerous. Form a real bottom. I would even take this. We bust back through. I'll probably take that. Probably take that, and my stop would be somewhere around here. Form a real bottom. I just want to see it get tested where you come low and they hold it.
Order filled.
Push it. I need $200 to lock in a day, right? I need $200 of gains to lock in a day. So let's see if we get it. 35. Oh, dude, I'm right the fuck there. Are you not going to give it to me?
Order filled.
You're a big piece of shit. Come back down right here. Yo, you're turned up? X Games mode, bro? Come on. Dude, gold is playing with fire. 1,000%. Dude, I'll make 2 good trades on gold and think I'm Mr. Gold. And then all of a sudden I wake up and I'm in a dumpster behind fucking McDonald's. And I'm like, what just happened? And they're like, gold got you. I'm like, oh, cool. Come on. Are we not going to come down at all? Just a little bit? Fucking shit would have hit too. Worse than Wendy's. I just wake up there too. I don't remember anything. And the guy's just like, gold got you. And I'm like, oh. Dude, I feel so good about myself. And then all of a sudden I don't. Is it not going to hit the imbalance? No. No, BK. I didn't even turn it on yet. Trying to make some dollars. Trying to make them dollars holla. Damn. I have no drawdown on this fucking account. How many payouts did I get in this account? Is this a 2 payout account or 1? This is a 1 payout account. See, this is what sucks is if you take a payout. If you take a payout, your fucking drawdown sucks. I am going to have to switch. I'm going to have to switch to 5 micros just to give me some room here. Yo, and your butt hurts when you wake up, CT? Dude, it happens, man. You just get freaking smoked. And the gold is just sitting there laughing at you. Ha, 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 ha. Got him. Yo, your account definitely gets punched with a payout. Basically, after you take a payout with pretty much any firm, except the ones that make you go super far, you really need that, like...
Order filled.
Oh, shit. I'm not even on the right chart. I'm all in with this. This is do or die here. That is not good. That is not good at all. I need some drawdown. It's so easy to lose $400 and so hard to make 120. What up, Jay Styles? I'm all out, folks. What happened? What happened, Jay Styles? Come on, hold this fucking imbalance and push out, push up. Hello, Janix. Dude, they just won't push it. Dell, you long or short? Yo, give us that red rocket in the shorts.
Order filled.
I just got some freaking drawdown here. My drawdown is now 450. Oh, I was only in one. That's why it was weird. I thought I was in two. Good morning, Disciplines. They're gone? Like, did you trade them or they're just gone? Dude, I don't know about this one. This might be the hold. I'm moving this to break even, though. I can tell you that. If I get up to 49, I'm moving this to break even. I don't love this setup. There, it's a free trade at this point. The reason I don't love this setup is we're definitely overbought on the one. Obviously, I'm in free right now, so it's all great. I'll take that off. Now I'm just going to sit here and let this one ride. See, we're just over fucking bought. We're overbought, and I think we're going to, I think we're going to pull back. Overbought. Let it come back down. I like moving to break even as fast as I can because once I'm at break even, it doesn't really matter at that point. You know, you could just kind of say, okay, I'm going to hold it. I'm at break even. Let's just let it ride. I like this structure, though. You kind of have an inverted head and shoulders. You got a shoulder, a head, a shoulder, and you're basically going to need to break out. If I get back in and we break out probably of here, I'll put my stop at 34. Yo, Bo Vosh, you hear that? That's my garbage truck outside. You could hear that? Gotta let them nuts breathe. Yo, that was me backing the truck up. in theory, I mean, in theory, this would be a 100-point move to the upside measured. Do I believe that? I don't know. But yeah, you got a shoulder, head, shoulder, and then you get the break. It's too interesting for me not to take a little taste. Too interesting. Got to wet my beak if we break above that imbalance. I almost want to see us consolidate right here for a little bit and then go. Build up some energy, work the stochastics off, and then we go. Yo, jeez. I'm in a third. I'm in a third of a position. Just if it pops, I'm adding.
Order filled.
Got to get over. You might see a quick run up to like 71 if it pops and then maybe come back. You're degenning your points. Trying to decide if I want to just go fucking nutsack in on this account. I mean, this is an all-in situation here. This is either going to pop and I'm getting filled or this account is gone.
Order filled.
Only because my drawdown's so fucking tight on there. Bro, you're not going to pump this up to at least? Come on. Give me the pump daddy. All right, I just took half off and I'm moving the other half to basically break even. All right, I'm in the last one I'm in. This is a good freaking play, by the way. The last one I'm in is right here. I'm getting out with some money. I mean, we made money, but I'd like to see it go all the way up and test 76. I'm just moving my stop up at this point. I do think we're going to hit up here. Come on. Push it. Push it, baby. Something is wrong. The system is totally rigged. Not going to lie, I said that this looks like a bottom. I just wanted more constructive. The reason I like this bottom, what was it? Oh, we were talking about this. See, now you're trading back into this order block, this breaker block right here. I don't know, man. This is going to get freaking dicey. If you wanted a short, your stop would be 180, 182. You're trading into this 15-minute fair value gap, hourly fair value gap. You don't trust view up? I'm playing these invert. Go heavy. I mean, if you're not going heavy, what are you doing? Look, that just recycled. Maybe I should have held. I just feel like we're definitely riding overbought areas, and we're definitely coming into resistance right here. Let's go. That's where my stop is. I think it kind of feels like you're going to get a solid rejection. It's got to really break it, though. It might come up and touch 85. That's the VWAP. Oh, my God. My shoulder's killing me. My back's hurting me. My feet are killing me. Yo, I told you, boys. TTD. Told you about them earnings. Told you it was coming. Told you it was coming. Just another day. Just another day. I think I'm all out of earnings, though. I think we hit 5 for 5 or 6 for 6 on the earnings. Fucking, we absolutely, it was crazy. So, see how stochastics is starting to work itself off? If price doesn't start dropping, I'm out of this thing. You know, I want to see it start dropping to like 53. Otherwise, I am going to be exiting the building. Because otherwise, what you're going to get is you're going to get a flag right here, and then they're going to push it up. I don't want to be in a flag situation where they push it up. I want to see them dump it here. If not, they're going to just hold this 9. Come on. I want to see 52. See? Look at that. Look at that. Fucking so perfect. Dude, that was a nice trade. That was a really nice trade. I wouldn't buy that imbalance personally. Oh, you were trying to short this imbalance? Yeah. Damn. They gotcha. They're like, yo, we're not filling him. The sim market makers were watching you. I would not enter here because your thesis was a rejection at the imbalance, the initial rejection. Now it's not. You're not getting the initial rejection anymore. Now it would. I wouldn't do it now. I definitely wouldn't do it now. Yo, one and done, man. One and done, always. That's why I only play first touch. Like people are like, "Oh, it's back at whatever." I'm like, dude, it could be back at there 8 times. I like the first touch because I always explain it to people like if you drop a ball, the first bounce is always the biggest. After that, I don't trust it. Or if you're trying to break down a wall, the first time you hit the wall's not moving. But if you keep hitting it, eventually it's going to go through. If anyone's on voice, you got 4 minutes to enter the dark race. After that, it closes for the morning session. Yo, Nazik, what's up? I'm just looking for a bounce right here. Kelly Kinley, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Bots up 4Gs today. That's a solid day, Andy. It's a solid day. What's up, Amelia? Good morning, Amelia. How are things over there? How is everything over there by you? Little trading today? Oh, this is going to get ugly fast. See, you're at the previous 4 hour. I still think we trade back up to 20,200. Hey, small green is better than no green. I take small green. I kind of do the same thing though. Like if I get up in a PA account, like I'm up in this PA account, 243 on a Friday, I'm probably on my way out. Two weeks in a row, I gave it all. Oh, you can't give it all back. Small green is good. I heard the big greens hurt. You can't give it back on Friday. That's like the worst. What's the best discount code on the prop firm streets? Cove Trader, obviously. If you want to pass. Trump almost got me at 7:03. Bro, what did he wake you up? Were you under the sheets and he almost got you? Drop in the chat. There you go. Yo, what up, Jim Blab? Yo, here you go, CT. Just like that. 80-point spike both ways. Yo, he's hitting it both ways, man. Gotta watch out. There's all types of news and shit, man. This Trump market's crazy. It's the Trump market. It's just killing it. Yo, CT, what are you getting anyways? I'm just curious. What type of account? Welcome to the pain machine, dude. TPT, yeah. I have them. I gotta trade them. I'm working those up. Man, if you get a pro account, CT, handle with care because you can really take them for a lot of money. I kind of shit my last one away a little bit. This account's the drawdown smoked in this eval. Yeah, I trade 50s because of that exact reason. I usually go the 50 route. Oh, push it down. Push it down. Push it down. Push it. I like that I'm getting my drawdown back. I might take this because my drawdown was low. Now I got some drawdown to play with. Faster pass with 25K. Yes. That's what you get for hanging out with Patrick. Snooze, you lose. It was for the people that were on the stream. You guys voted on it. I didn't vote on it. You guys voted to open it up for 5 minutes for whoever's on the stream. Dell, you're laughing at that? Bro, got to be on the stream. I don't make the rules. I let you guys vote on them. You guys voted. I didn't vote. Dude, I let you guys vote on everything. Yo, I let you guys vote on everything we do in here. I always let you guys vote. Yo, how was Blackjack last night, by the way? What was wrong with Blackjack? Why didn't it work? The high table of the Cove chat voted. Terrible? Why was it terrible? Were the graphics terrible or the playing terrible? Or did you get 20 and the dealer got a 7-card 21 and you're still annoyed? Bro, that's the best part about it. It looked like you played Super Mario. Yo, Brian B in the house. I passed 3 Apex evals, but blown accounts before payouts. Want to get back into it. You think I should do Take Profit Trader because it's faster for payouts? Have you ever gotten a payout, Brian? Have you gotten any payouts? I'm going to give you the best piece of advice. I just want to know where. No. All seriousness, Brian, switching prop firm is not going to make you get a payout, because if you couldn't get a payout at Apex, you're not going to get one at Take Profit Trader, or you're not going to get one at another firm. What I would say is stick with the low-cost Apex evals and learn, instead of focusing on the prop firm to go to, focus on the strategy you're working with. Do you have TradingView? Like, are you using TradingView right here? Or are you just on? Yep. I would watch some videos that I made, man. Like playing the orbs, volume imbalances, which are these red lines. I would focus on strategy and back testing more than switching prop firms. And I'm just being honest with you. Like, say you switch prop firm and you got lucky. Yeah, I'm just trying to keep it real. Like, I could obviously just say, hey man, switch prop firms and use my code. Like, I'm not here for that. I'm here to like actually help you out. I would say keep with Apex because they're still like $30. What causes you to blow accounts? Do you blow them in one day, or is it a slow grind to the bottom? What's up, Robert? Are you like gaining, and then you just destroy it one day because you go on tilt? I'm only taking one here. This is not an eval. This is an eval. This is no funded trade. It was like 6 months ago. I had 3 pass, 2 of them close to payouts, and then yes, went tilt. Honestly, Brian, so inside this platform, you click that button, you go to risk settings, and I would change your daily loss limit to like $400. So you're able to trade, but once you hit $400, it just locks it out. You know, that's the route I would go. You know, managing risk is where it's all at. Like I've seen people, even outside of prop firms, like I've seen people make a lot of money and then it's gone a year later because they didn't manage risk and they just kind of blew it. I would say, yeah, that's what I would do, man. I would focus on that one account at a time, trade it small, and set a daily loss limit. Like I typically have limits on my PA accounts. On evals, I don't, obviously. Evals to me or whatever. But you should treat evals like you treat funded accounts because you're not profitable. And I don't say that in a bad way. Yeah, you know why? I could tell you why. Because you probably bought premium. You probably played weekly options or options that expired within a month. And it looks all good because people are posting 400% winners on fucking Twitter. And I could tell you that that guy is not hitting 400% winners every single day with any size. It's all just fucking marketing. You know, I would focus on consistent base hits. I'll show you like one of these accounts I got. Like everybody wants to make a ton of money every day, but like base hits gets you fucking paid. 300, two, 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 two. I got to pay out. Two, 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 two. I got to pay out again. Like, you look on Twitter and these guys are doing $10,000. Like, you're not on that. Work for payouts. Just base hits. You're up $200-300 in a day. Lock the account out. Switch to a paper account. I'm just trying to keep it as honest as someone can. It's a long journey, man. Yeah, Amelia, base hits got me 15,000 in January from Tradeify in 3 accounts. Consistency. I would take $200 consistent over big days and then bad days. That's this feels like we're going to roll over, by the way. $300, 300 a day keeps the poorness away. $300 a day is freaking nice, man. Yeah, listen, I always tell people in the chat, ask questions. I answer everybody in the chat. Ask questions. The more questions you ask, the faster to profitability you are. This looks like it wants to unload. You got a 3 bar on the 1. Dude, that 3 bar on the hourly, like I didn't play it, but that 3 bar on the hourly dumped. This one was pre-market, even though you still would have been in because the high was that. That was an unloading. Yeah, Sean, all day. This is such a bad entry. Fuck it. Just fuck it. It's an eval. Fuck it. I guess target like low a day. Don't follow this trade. This is an awful entry on an account that has almost no drawdown. I'm just reading some of the news, and all the news seems bearish to me. Am I the only one that thinks all the news is bearish? Sean, I'm not going to wear the shirt, but I'll buy a shaker bottle. I'll grab a shaker bottle. I'm not a shirt. I never wear it. I'm just being honest with you. Yo, Fed speakers like all day today, I think. I think there's like 8 of them. The fuck? Why didn't that work, man? The coffee is solid as well. Wait. You have coffee? Oh, hold on, bro. I didn't see coffee. I'm roasted in this trade. Bro, there's no coffee on this thing. It's t-shirts, a magnet, stickers, a patch, a flag, a hat, and a shaker bottle. Bro, the one thing I would definitely buy, I got you though. Roasted. I knew that. That's what happens when I fucking do too many things anyways. Yo, Sean, wait till you see what I put in the Discord. Sean, I needed another shaker bottle. It was on my list. Oh, shit. Yo, now I get to email you every day. Where's my shaker bottle at? Where's my shaker bottle at? Fucking 35 times a day. Ah, I'm just looking at the higher time frames, guys. You can see we rejected right in this breaker block here. You're sitting in a breaker on the 15, which if you don't go over 182, will probably reject. I would be looking for 20,028 maybe. We retested this fair value gap. Everything to me kind of feels bearish. I kind of want to grab in a PA account with yo, what did I say the top was? 81 is my stop. And I'm probably looking this is don't follow this at all. This is me. I'm testing something out. This is a complete test. Honestly, right now we're kind of in the middle of this area, and I do think I feel more bearish. I definitely feel more bearish. I'm gonna look to see what Amazon, some of the big name stocks are doing. Amazon might go red here. Amazon's about to go red on the day. Google's red. Actually, Amazon just went red. Bro, Tesla's up 5% today. Tesla's at 300. Bro, that's wild. It was just at 220. Let's see what's Apple. Apple's up 0.5%. What up, Messi? Yo, it's definitely choptastic. I mean, you kind of want to get out of this area.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, why did that just hold on?
Order filled.
I wanted to buy 3 once we kind of made new lows. Do I take my money? Do I take my money or what should I do? Take my money or let it ride? Let it ride or take my money? Dude, I wish I could do a quick fucking poll. Dude, these guys are the fucking worst. Yo, let it ride. Man, you guys are going to make me just hold this shit. Look at it. I lost 100. I was up 150. I'm going to need your address to send you the invoice for that one.
Order filled.
I want to see a lower high. That's all I'm looking for right now is a lower high. You don't want to go over this candle. Basically, lower high, reject here, come back down. Bro, that guy's yo, all over me. All over me, man. Come on. Hit me with a dump. I'm just going to move my stop down to be. I'm going to go to break even. Or like if we get down here, I'm going to go to break even or something. Like that. I want at least 100.
Order filled.
I want at least $100. $100, $100, $100. Yo, I've hit full profits again on Take Profit Trader Eval. I just got to ride out the last 3 days. Took an almost blown demo. Wait, what size of account are you playing with that you needed 40 G's? Cove is a swing trader now. I'm swinging it. CT, I'm swinging it like a helicopter. I should have just taken my fucking money. Should have just taken my money. Dude, tennis, come on and raise up. Yo, what's it? North Carolina? PD Pablo. Remember that shit, Dennis? Yo. Maria is hung over? What were you drinking, Maria? You missed it, LS. Got to be on the stream. Damn, it's raining out today. What's going on with the Diddy trial? I haven't they're still doing jury selection. They're still doing jury selection. Yo, whatever happened to PD Pablo? He did North Carolina and then just fucking, that was it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Bro, did news just come out? Was that just news that came out? Gotta be on the stream. Gotta be on. Try again this afternoon. Got to oh man. Trump wants a 30-day ceasefire, right? If Russia refuses the 30-day ceasefire, new US and European sanctions would be imposed. Gotta be a part of the stream. Yo, later, Cash. Wait. Oh. Bro, I hurt my foot so bad yesterday. Hold a trading competition? I would hold a trading competition. You want me to hold a trading competition? The biggest problem is I'm thinking. Yo, Sean, is my shaker shipped yet? What's going on there, bro? How did I make money, though? I thought it went the other way. Yeah, I would have to get, there would have to be like some software that everybody would join, like poker. But then like people that are trading here would then trade there. It would be like a big fucking mass chaos. Yo, I'm washing that thing out 3 times before. I know if I bought that and I didn't wash it and started using it, you send me a picture of you teabagging it or something. That shit's going right in the dishwasher. Oh shit, my fucking toe is killing me. Yo, you ever see that? What movie was that? The Ryan Reynolds movie when they send the guy fucking cream puffs, and at the very bottom of all the cream puffs that they're eating, it's the fucking picture of the dog filling up the cream puffs. I know you teabagged my drum set. Step Brothers. The one I was talking about was like the Ryan Reynolds one when he's at college. Yeah, Van Wilder. You know that movie Van Wilder was based off of Bert Kreischer, right? That's how they came up with Van Wilder. It was Bert Kreischer. Road to success. Bad news. I lost my funded account yesterday in 15 minutes. Just try again, man.
Order filled.
What the fuck? I'm out. There's something going on. Some type of news or something. That's the second algo candle up. Yeah, Scotsman. I wonder what, dude, he was probably a hell of a time in college. I mean, this is why I don't hold positions. We're still in this fucking zone, though. Anybody got any good food for lunch? I don't think I have any lunch. Actually, my wife's off today. Yo, I'm gonna tell her to go make me a sandwich. Like, yo, babe, make me a sandwich. If that happened, I may not be back at 2 p.m. Yeah, we were talking about that the other day, Baba, that they don't make movies like that. I don't know. Well, Happy Gilmore comes out in July. I feel like they made a big push on like superhero movies and like all the other shit just took a back burner. About to be Road to Pound Town. It's Friday night, baby. Oh, man. Yo, I want a deli sandwich, like roast beef, Swiss, lettuce, tomato. Of course, I text my wife, "What are you eating for lunch?" And she just says nothing. What's that say, Sean? Dude's head is the best head? Man, this is some fucking chop. I mean, we're unable to. I mean, this is what is this, like 20, call it? This is just a chop. I'm going to reshort this up here. My stop is going to be 82. I'm just trying to get the best entry possible.
Order filled.
Yo, DBT, what the dude? Some ass play PA. Jeez. CT, did you? Yo. What if I lose though? If I lose, it's downhill. I guess it's a win-win. Yeah. I tried using Delta before, Scotsman. It wasn't working for me. I was definitely trying to use Delta. Bro, what should I get for lunch? What are you guys having for lunch? Anybody eating good? Mexican? Dude, I can't eat like a salad or something. I've been playing ball every night and I don't eat dinner after ball. I am starving. You got some steak? Yo, I got a skirt steak in the fridge. Bro, I went to cook ribs yesterday, and I put the ribs in the oven, and the rib meat didn't smell great. And when I started cooking, it really didn't smell good. It was bad. Actually, whole shit, it's still in the oven from yesterday. My wife doesn't know. Fuck, I got to throw those ribs out. I got old ribs sitting in my oven since yesterday. Yo, what up, Matt? Lamb cutlet sounds good, Mike. Brisket, I love brisket. Brisket sandwich. Some cold slaw on that thing. Spit on that thing. Oh, man. All right. I'm going to head out. I'm going to be back at 2 p.m. If you want to support the stream, use the code below. Yo, what up, Deba? We'll do a count giveaway later today. And I'm just going to hang out in this short. We'll see what happens. Yo, Dell, you getting wild, man. And I'll be back at 2. I got to go eat something. I played ball last night. I'm starving. I'll probably hop on the Discord in about an hour. All right. Peace.